for yeah. See, we're like compensating for the warm weather. We're making it into a California storm, so it's cold as fuck here.
You go time.
Ooh, shit. It's better than fireworks. Ooh.
Did somebody knock on our door?
Is that Goop Troop? Oh, I want one more. Oh, yeah.
Oh shit, it's actually someone playing the game, it's not this show.
It's lame, dude. This is cool.
Yeah, let me go see if somebody's fucking at the door, dude. I hear like stuff.
Must have been a ghost, right? Don't let the ghost in. What are you doing, dear? Like the Haunted Mansion. Dude, hearing things at the door. Is that it? Oh!
Oh, that's a big one.
Love this fucking game.
I think you should leave it because of that. If the guy's speedrunning, that's gonna happen a lot. Dang.
Yeah, I got that.
If you can multi-shot it, that'd be sweet. I just can only do this video. Hey, I think that's Uncle Arston there smoking.
So fucking stupid.
Hit by lightning. You like he doesn't, because like he won't get messed up, but he'll have like 9 scars.
Yeah, he would survive. Because he's gnarly. Oh! It's so cute.
Phoenix Wright bullshit.
Someone's brain. Ooh. That was like RTI. Any movies back on?
Here are these coming out down there, man.
This word. This movie's so stupid.
I love it. He's like a Saudi guy.
Okay. Okay, I'll think I'm gonna cut it off soon. At the end of the song, I'll stop filming.
Why are they in a Vikings
Because they're salty, dude. Glad we're not in Dallas right now. Trying to drive back. Oh. Oh. Yeah, and I'm getting some core exercise right now. Alright.